All right, so our pilot made it approximately 268 miles up to, we're heading towards Beach Mountain, but we decided to stop at this really cool location we found randomly, and it's a waterfall near Linville Caverns. And Felicity will video the road. We're going down, and hopefully we can find some salamanders.
Yeah, cave salamanders though.
Yeah, we're gonna explore a little cave.
Hey Dad, can you be with me? Remember, we're going to be in a cave. But Evan, it's not scary. I'll be with you too. Daddy, I'll be with you too. Just to make sure
Daddy, do you have a blast one?
and I'll kick those bears right in the butt.
Yeah, I guess last time we were here it was fall, honey.
Yeah.
Or it was winter, wasn't it? There were no leaves.
Nope.
That's part of how we could find the waterfall so easily, I guess, because right now it doesn't look like much, but we're going to go explore. It's going to be fun. Did you find some gold, Isaac? Ooh, nice. It's beautiful back here, honey.
I know. I'm going to take a picture of this butterfly I found.
Daddy, there's bills everywhere over this.
Say, let's go find the cave and the salamanders.
Let's go find the cave and the salamanders.
Okay, I'll show you.
Daddy,
All right, you ready? It's right there.
Where?
Right in front of your foot, right?
Bug? He looks like a leaf, huh?
Yep.
Oh!
Oh man!
Oh man, he got on your shoe, Eli.
Daddy doesn't swim.
No.
Oh, he just jumped.
Dance, dance, dance. All right, let's go find the waterfall. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah, that path. Come on.
I know where it is, Daddy. I see it. I saw it.
All right, so this is the waterfall and the caves over there in the top left. And we've been here before during the winter, but we didn't really want to explore the cave. But today I think we're gonna try. Yeah. And this is actually really close to Linville Caverns, which is a pretty extensive cave system. So there's possibility that actually goes somewhere. A red-tailed salamander.
Hey, Daddy, Eli sees a fish.
Eli, we got a salamander. Okay.
Very interesting one.
Good. Oh, you're gonna video me? Hey Eli, make
What are
sure
you
you stay
doing?
here. I'm gonna just climb up there so you can take a cool profile picture for me.
Okay.
Eli's already slipped on some of these rocks, so be careful.
Okay.
Hey, stay over here, boy. I hurt my ankle.
All right, in just a little bit, guys, we're gonna walk across the river and we're gonna go explore that cave over there. Going on a bear hunt.
Going on a bear hunt.
Gonna catch a big one.
Gonna catch a big one.
What a beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
We're not scared. You're getting so close, Eli. Evan, there's a butterfly flying around you. Wow, we're getting so close to this cave. Yeah, there's water flowing through it. It's like a waterfall. Oh, whoa. All right, Eli, come on, let's go.
I see something. It looks
Okay.
like a bear.
Come on.
See a rainbow. See a rainbow in the water.
Whoa, honey. I started videoing, but I wasn't videoing for that. Whoa, guys. Did we find a cave? Oh, wow. You see any cave salamanders, Isaac? We've got to get a picture right here, for sure. Eli, it's okay, don't be scared. If you see something and you're scared, just tell me about it, okay? Okay? Eli? okay? Evan, is this awesome? Whoa. Oh, Lenny, look, I found a cave formation.
A stalactite.
Yeah, a stalactite.
You see there's a hole down in there?
Yeah, I'm going up it.
Are you looking there for real?
Yeah. All right, honey, video me. I'm going in.
Alright, oh gosh.
Good job, Eli.
I saw it, Eli, with a quick one. I mean, how much further does it go?
Well, I have to crawl on my stomach to find out.
No way.
Oh, it goes, honey.
Go.
Honey, you've got to video me going. I'm going to take my shirt off. I'm going to go up under that lip
Aaron.
and see what's in there.
Are you serious?
YOLO.
What if you die under there?
I won't die. It's right here.
Alright, try to find some hidden treasure or something.
You ready, honey?
I can't really see anything. But
Well, you got it. Okay, ready?
yeah, go. Is it cold?
Oh! It's a dead end,
Okay, come back then.
but I did it.
Spiders! So many spiders!
Honey, I'm in a cave.
Like, so many freaking spiders crawling.
Eleni,
I know, I hear you.
I'm in a cave. I see a cave. A cave cricket, guys. This is a first for me. I've never actually explored a cave before. Oh, I've got something on my back. I think it's a spider.
Oh my gosh, Aaron. Now look up
I don't need
at all the spiders in the... Oh my god, are those cave crickets or spiders?
cave
Look up.
crickets.
Up,
Cave crickets.
Okay, so they're not spiders above your head right now.
You want to come up here too? You're gonna come explore the cave with me? All right, come over here. I'll help you. Okay, ready? Come stand up. Come stand up. Watch your head. Look at all those cave crickets, Evan. Oh, whoa. What do you... Okay, you want me to catch one? All right, here we go. Huh. Oh, yeah. What?
Oh my gosh.
What?
What did he get?
A cave cricket. Oh, he got away already? It's Eli. You found this big one? Whoa. You want a picture with it? Okay, stand up. You gotta cheer up. Okay.
Stop whining.
Be careful.
Sit down then. Sit.
Eli, I hit my head too, so I know what the feeling. All right. Let me see it, Eli. Oh, yeah. He's a quick guy, huh?
He's really quick.
Be careful so you don't hurt it.
I think it'll hurt my salmon. Boo.
Oh, did he get down the water?
Yeah.
That's okay. High five, Eli.
Can I try doing it again?
Yeah. You coming with me, Evan? Oh yeah, it goes farther this way. Uh-huh. Here, I'll help you. Come on. Oh yeah, you're a brave guy, huh? Oh yeah. Good job. Hold on to the rock right here, buddy. There you go. Now stand up. I'll go first, okay? Come on, guys. Look, Evan. Go walk up there. Let's see what you see. Oh, cool. This is so cool. Yeah. Are you okay?
That's
There's one. There's one. We found a salamander already, Isaac. Oh.
Got it.
Got it, kid. Yeah, I got it. All right, he's gonna be really hard to hold. He's a squirmer, okay? You ready?
Daddy, hold this.
Okay. Here. Evan, hold his rock. Hold his rock. All right. Oh, he's right there. Oh, man, they're so squirmy. All right, slime 5. We still caught him, Isaac. Come here, Eli. I want to show you this awesome cave. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you coming, Mama?
We sure are ready.
We found a salamander already too.
Daddy, over here. I'm gonna try to find a salamander over here. Oh, I'm scared.
Hey, Eli, come here. Come with me. You coming, honey?
Trying to.
It gets bigger right here. Big enough to actually stand
Are
up.
you serious?
Yeah.
No, don't go too far that way. Fall
All right,
down
you ready,
and
Isaac? It's okay. I'll go first, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me go first, Evan. Let me scoot through. Oh.
I can actually stand.
Whoa.
Oh, snap. Look under here. Hey, Evan. Go back. Huh?
What did you find?
A waterfall.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You gonna crawl in and see it too?
I don't know. I kind of want to, but I kind of have to help the kids around. And I don't know if I'm that dedicated to that right now. Oh my God, Aaron. I'm not sure you're making the best line, but
To get out?
yeah.
It's more about what you're on than what's above you. It's more about what you're crawling on. Yeah, you should definitely get down low and look in there though. Let me get past you.
Okay.
Pictures are this. We gotta take a picture of us silhouetted looking out and a reverse picture of us looking in.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to do that looking out one right now.
Okay.
He got it in his eye.
Let me
I asked
see,
him where it
Evan. Let me
hurt and
see
he
your
said it was
boo-boo.
his forehead.
Evan, let me see your boo-boo.
Oh,
Aw, you really hit it on that cave wall, huh?
buddy.
Yeah.
Well,
He's a trooper though. He was all in there. Let's go get a
let's go
boo-boo
get an
pack.
ice pack. Yeah,
Let's go
come
out.
on.
Did you take a picture of me holding this?
How was that?
I love that. That was a blast.
Isaac?
Every time I go to like Ruby Falls or like Linville Caverns, I always think about how the first people that discovered it had to crawl through all those little crevices and cracks because every cave has its like constriction point you have to get through. And anyways, yeah, that was fun. Hey, buddy.
You found a little crawfish. Let me see. Super cute. Eli.
a yellow one.
A little one.
A little bit. There you go. Evan, here. Put him on your hand.
Hey guys.
Be gentle. Oh, Evan's yellow salamander.
Hey guys. Mine was a boy.
Wow, Isaac, you
Mine
caught a
was
crawfish?
boy. Mine says a boy.
Good job, Eli. This is a really good crawfish river, isn't it?
I love crawfishes.
Yeah. Here. Oh, perfect video.
Look, he likes it.
He loves your little spot you picked, Eli. Good job.
Look, he's going under a rock.
You gave him a perfect home, Eli. He went right under that rock,
He likes
didn't
that
he?
rock better than the other rock.
Hey, we made it back to the car. We're still alive. Evan, no. Okay, go down there and try to catch one. Go. Yep. Wow, how did you find that?
It was in the bucket of water.
Yeah.
And we used up the
House now, and we'll see if we get any more videos, but if not, this will go up on our channel, so we'll keep you posted. Say bye-bye, waterfall.
Bye-bye, waterfall. See you next time.
Evan, I feel your swollen part, but not the bleeding part and the hurting part. No, I had a swollen under
How did you
the
get
side.
that, Evan?
A wall on my deal.
You bumped
Where
it.
were you when you bumped it? Were you in a cave?
Yeah.
Was it hard to see?
Yeah.
Is that how you bumped it? It was too hard to see and you couldn't see. Oh, poor little buddy.
I think we should never go in that cave again.
No, I disagree, Eli. That was fun. We need to go in, but we need to have headlamps.
That's right.
Yeah, and the phones. That's the
With the
thing.
headlamps, our footage would have been way better,
That's
too.
the
Yeah,
thing.
it's
Like, what about the big one that shines light with both? I have a good idea, guys. Next time we go there, we can hold hands. As my hand is swollen because it's kind of fat.